Welcome to Fuel Your Life, the Power of Healthy Foods. In this video, we'll explore how incorporating nutrient-packed, delicious foods into your diet can make a positive impact on your overall health and well-being. 1. The essentials of healthy eating. Eating well isn't just about dieting. It's about giving your body the essential nutrients it needs to thrive. Let's dive into the world of wholesome, nutrient-rich foods that can make a real difference. 2. Color your plate with goodness. Colors aren't just visually appealing, they're also a key indicator of nutritional diversity. A rainbow on your plate means a variety of vitamins and minerals, so don't be afraid to make your meals vibrant. 3. The energy boosters. Need an energy boost? Look no further than the power-packed foods that can fuel your active lifestyle. From complex carbohydrates to lean proteins, these foods will keep you energized throughout the day. 4. Cooking up a storm. Healthy eating doesn't mean sacrificing taste. Let's discover simple, delicious recipes that incorporate nutritious ingredients, making every meal a delightful experience. 5. Smart swaps for a healthier you. Making small changes in your food choices can lead to big improvements in your health. Learn about smart swaps that can transform your diet without sacrificing flavor. 6. Hydration and wellness. Staying hydrated is a cornerstone of a healthy lifestyle. Explore the benefits of proper hydration and discover foods that contribute to overall wellness. Start your journey today. It's never too late to start prioritizing your health. Whether you're taking small steps or making significant changes, remember that every nutritious choice is a step towards a healthier, happier you. Thanks for joining us on this journey to explore the transformative power of healthy foods. Start incorporating these choices into your life today, and let's all thrive together.
Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. Cook Up Helping Home.